Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taja Babes, and if you can see, I'm in a different setting. I'm in my car right now, and I just got a little bit of coffee, and I just wanted to do my video right here because the last, like, when I started my YouTube journey, I used to do stuff in the car, just me thinking, riding around thinking my life, and I always record on my phone my goals and aspirations. So I said, you know what, this is the perfect setting for to talk about this. So if you're not seeing my title says, if you're a small creator, give up now. So actually, it doesn't mean give up like right now, but it is a motivational speak of like not ever giving up. I know it's hard. I know that you see everybody blown up but you. But I'm here to tell you, do not give up. For me, example, a little over, I think 4 months now, 4 months, I started, doing once a week videos for YouTube. And I remember saying this time I got to be consistent. Even though last year, January, I say I have to be consistent. This time, I'm like, I have to lock in. So I lock in for 4 months. And I was at, I think, five something subscribers. Now I am almost at 1,000. And I never gave up. Even though sometimes I didn't post for like a week and not knowing. But when I tell you I was locked in, and from November to right now, I have gotten over 400 new subscribers because I stayed consistent. Now with TikTok the same. Yes, I'm a small creator myself, so right now I'm showing y'all the beginning of my content creation journey. On TikTok. Now, not every day I was posting like multiple times, but I was posting multiple times. And now every time I post, it was sometimes where I used to post and don't get like 200 views, but no likes, no nothing, which I'm like, okay, cool. But now I'm just posting videos by me being consistent and consistently posting videos. It doesn't matter me just talking, me doing pictures or whatnot, or doing motivation speaking. I am posting. I will never forget, like I told y'all the last time, with a video that you never put some thought in will blow up, right? So the video that I did about Ben the Don and Drake, video that I posted about Ben the Don and Drake, right now is at 644 likes and over like 10,000 views. Okay, well, actually, I'm manifesting, but it's at 8,000 views right now. And to me, as a small creator, that's actually a little bit of blow up. And when I tell you I didn't put no thought into that, I was just speaking my mind and posting content and showing up for myself like I always do. And showing up for yourself is keep on going. And I never expected I would get so many comments. Not only that, if y'all never see my last video about it, Ben the Don actually liked my video as well. So for me to get recognition by the same person that I mean, grant you, he had million subscribers, 1 million followers as well. Like, me, you liked my video? So it was crazy. And I told my nephew, he was excited too. So he was like, keep on going. And I'm gonna keep on going, y'all. Like, by me doing that and just being consistent and being myself, I gained so many people. I got so many recognition. I now, every time I post a video, it does well. So I just said, keep on going. Like, YouTube is my main source. YouTube is where I'm like very creative at. But you just have to keep on going. Right now I'm doing on Snapchat. I only had like 80. I didn't even know because I didn't do Snapchat in so long, but I only had like 80 people. Now I'm at 100 and something by me posting every day. Let me see right now on Snapchat. if I'm still at the same, because I was definitely surprised when I looked at it. I'm like, I don't even know how to look at. Yeah, I'm at like 100 and something, which is crazy. And I got people looking at my stories. So that's why I said keep on going. Anything could change in your life. One thing about it is, yes, you don't see it right now, but you keep on showing up for yourself and keep on showing up and don't stop for nothing. You will get there. You will freaking get there. Like me, it takes consistency, but I also was not being consistent most of the time. When I started my YouTube journey, I was doing maybe 2 or 3 videos a month, not really, or I would be consistent for a couple of like 2 weeks, and then like a couple of like weeks a month I'm not like being consistent. Now I have a time schedule. Now I'm posting videos every Monday and Friday consistently, and I'm not missing a day, because I feel like if I miss a day, something's going to happen. And it only takes one video, y'all. It takes one video to blow up. Like this is like my second time going viral. The first time was with YouTube, y'all. I have a view of 100,000. My video Fashion Nova is only like 2 or 3 minutes long, but it got 100,000 views, and I'm like, what? And my nephew was like, you went viral. I'm like, that's viral? But that's viral for a small creator. So yeah, if y'all have that passion for content creation, go ahead and do it. Do not burn yourself out. Be consistent and be intentional. Be yourself. You don't have to be nobody else. Just be yourself. Have that personality. Anything is content. When I tell y'all anything is content, anything is content. Just have to execute it. Do research. Do research on thumbnails. Do research on keywords. Do research. Like, use other social media platform for research. Like for YouTube, if I need blow up TikTok, I look on YouTube videos about TikTok. When it comes to YouTube, I look at TikTok and stuff to do with YouTube. Like, knowledge is power, and consistency and showing up for yourself is also power. When you look at your favorite YouTubers, it took them 100, 200 videos to go to be where they're at. But now if you see them, like some of them got 800 videos and they got million subscribers. So they shut up for themselves every freaking day. And that's what you need to do. So you have the urge, if you want to be a content creator, go ahead. Do not listen to anybody else. Do not listen to people like, oh, content's dead, this and that. Social media is dead. Nothing is dead. People that's on social media talking about social media is dead is crazy work to me, because obviously we still have some value of on social media, still have some value in it. So keep on going. You can't look at anybody else and just give up, because you will see yourself sorry in a year. Your life could change in 6 months, in a year. You could blow up and go into greater things. But you have to be consistent, and you have to believe in yourself. So, small creators, just give up. Give up on self-doubt. Get up that you're not good enough. Give up on it's got to be the right time. Give up things that does not serve you, and just do it. Just do it, and keep on doing it until your life change. And once your life change, keep on doing it. Keep up showing up for yourself. Now once you get to a certain level, you're not gonna want to stop. Now I'm at this level right now, baby, it's all the way up from here. From now, if I gotten this far for just doing what I love and enjoying what I'm doing, I would not be here telling you to keep on going. And it's a motivation for myself as well to keep on going and do not care about what people think. So y'all, keep on going. Give up on things that don't serve you. And I'll see you at the top. Love y'all so much. Thank you. Bye.
Me have Campari Patron.